So next season in the summer 2026, Quenda will also join Chelsea. And for Quenda, he is a winger. He is a versatile winger. He can play as a left wing and as a right wing. He is not a midfielder. So he is also joining Chelsea next summer 2026 and not this summer. Not this summer, next season, he is joining Chelsea. I know some fans are having problem with that. That is why I am emphasizing that point here. He will be joining Chelsea next year, 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, another young talented player, Chelsea son, now official, confirmed, join Chelsea. Dario Essugo or Dario Essugo. Yes, from Sporting. Chelsea signed him from Portugal team called Sporting, and he is 20 years of age. Chelsea signed him 20 million and gave him 8 years contract. Dario Essugo, and he is a DM or central midfielder. He can play as a DM and he can play as a central midfielder. So now official, he joined Chelsea. Yes, now his blood is blue. Now he is one of us. Now he is Chelsea player, and he is going to be with Enzo Maresca or be in the squad next season and beyond. Until loan, we don't know, or selling, or we don't know, because these our owners, they can do anything. Yes, we saw they sell so many young players at the end of the day, loan sell, loan sell. But the way Essugo will play the club tournament. He will join Chelsea and play the club tournament. As I said, he is 20 years. Chelsea gave him 8 years contract till 2033. But Chelsea signed this player for a certain reasons. Chelsea signed him or let him join Chelsea this season because of these 3 important reasons, guys. First, a better replacement for Moses Caicedo. A better replacement for the midfield general, for the man himself, Moses Caicedo, who pocketed every Premier League midfielder this season. After Caesar as a speculator, 2017 to 2018 season, when he played all the 38 Premier League games, this season, Moses Caicedo also became the first player to play all the 38 Premier League games for Chelsea. So for that matter, next season, Chelsea want Moses Caicedo to be getting some rest. For that matter, if Caicedo will be off, then there should be a player who can replace him well, who can represent him well. So that is why Chelsea let Essugo join this season or this summer. Yes, guys, one of the reasons for a better replacement for Moses Caicedo next season, Caicedo can be getting more resting time because, as I said, this season he played all the Premier League 38 games and almost all the FA Cup and the Carabao games, and yes, some games in the Conference League he played. So Caicedo is a human being. He's not a robot. Yes, he needs some rest, some days, because more games, a player stand the risk of getting injured. And I can't see Caicedo getting injured. I don't pray it happen because he is a crucial player for us, important player for us. So for that matter, for Chelsea to prevent all these things, what should Chelsea do? Chelsea should go and bring a player who will be replacing him, yes, taking over from him sometime so that he'll be rested. So guys, that is the first point, the reason why Chelsea let Essugo join this summer. Yes, to be a better backup and replacement for Moses Caicedo. And the second point, guys, next season, more competition. And more competition means we need more players to play and able to compete at the highest level in each competition. So we need a squad depth. We need a squad depth. Next season, we are playing Champions League. We are playing Premier League. We are playing FA Cup. We are playing Carabao Cup. And Chelsea as a team, a season, Chelsea must win a trophy. For that matter, you have to be playing at your best. So you can't have one squad to be playing in all this competition. Yes, it will come to a time that they will become tired. Injuries will come, suspensions will come. So for that matter, we need squad depth in the midfield. And the squad as a whole, Chelsea need a squad depth. And bringing Essugo to add that squad depth in case we have a Carabao Cup game, we can rest some of our players, we can rest some of our midfielders, Essugo and co can play. Yes, in case we have FA Cup, even the Champions League, when a player, yes, get tired, and as I said, suspensions, yes, you have a super sub, you have good players on the bench who will come and give the same performance as the first players, the first squad was given. So this is another reason why, or the second reason why Chelsea let Essugo join this summer. Yes, Dario Essugo. Yes, the midfielder, the GM, the 20 years Essugo joined this summer to add that squad depth so that Chelsea can be able to compete in all the competition next season at the highest level and possible or hopefully win them. Yes, so guys, that is the second reason why to add a squad depth. And the third reason why Chelsea let Essugo join this season is Romeo Lavia, better replacement. Romeo Lavia, better replacement. Injury prone Romeo Lavia. We saw it this season, guys. We miss Lavia a lot. Any day that Lavia play, we see that performance from him. We see a missing piece, a missing wing in Chelsea midfield. So for that matter, Chelsea let Essugo join. In case that injuries comes, yes, nobody can control injury in football. In case it comes, we have someone to replace Lavia better. We have someone like Essugo to replace Lavia better. So guys, Romeo Lavia better replacement is now around. And super sub, as I said, not just a substitution, but a better substitution. A substituter who can come and do the right thing. No. So in this case, as I was striking the same, in case Justin is not doing well, we have someone like Liam Delap who can come and do the work. So the same as our midfield, in case Lavia is not there, now we have Essugo who can replace him. As I said, yes, some games we miss Lavia. Imagine having Lavia, Caicedo, Enzo in the midfield. Now a strong midfield that will ball. But some days Lavia will be off. He's injury prone. Now Lavia is no more available. There, Chelsea can replace him with Essugo. So guys, these are the three reasons why Chelsea let Dario Essugo join this summer. Yes, Lavia replacement, backup for Moses Caicedo, and more squad depth for Chelsea because of more competition in this Chelsea team. And not only Essugo joining Chelsea as a midfielder, yes, Andrew Santos is also joining Chelsea this summer. He will also be available in the club competition. Yes, next season he will be with Chelsea, the squad. Yes, Andrew Santos, the man who went to Ligue 1 France and conquered everybody, Vitinha and co, Joan Neves, or who and co. He went to Ligue 1 and conquered everybody. I'm telling you, one of the best players in Ligue 1 this season. Andrew Santos is also joining Chelsea, yes, to be a backup for Caicedo, Lavia and co. Yes, to help the team, to help the midfield. In case Caicedo is not there, in case Enzo is not there, in case Lavia is not there, these our two talented midfielders can replace them better. So guys, Andrew Santos is also joining. And Chelsea signed two players from Sporting. Yes, Dario Essugo and Giovanni Quenda. And currently, Essugo joined. Yes, Essugo is a midfielder. And next season, 2026 summer, next season in the summer, 2026, Giovanni Quenda will also join Chelsea. He even congratulates, yes, Essugo, yes, for joining his new team. So next season in the summer, 2026, Quenda will also join Chelsea. And for Quenda, he is a winger. He is a versatile winger. He can play as a left wing and as a right wing. He is not a midfielder. So he is also joining Chelsea next summer, 2026. And not this summer. Not this summer. Next season, he is joining Chelsea. I know some fans are having problem with that. That is why I am emphasizing that point here. He will be joining Chelsea next year, 2026. So guys, that is the latest information from this our three talented players. Essugo will join, Andrew Santos will join, and next season Giovanni Quenda will also join. But guys, Armando Broja, our young academy talented Armando Broja, return back to Chelsea or return to Chelsea. Yes, and Chelsea will then decide to let him go because information said that AC Milan interested, PSV interested, Ajax interested, so many teams interested to sign him. But now he is back in Chelsea camp to train with the squad. And the same way, Raheem Sterling will also come back to Chelsea and join the squad. Then Chelsea then decide to sell them off. The same way as Joao Felix, he will also join. The same way as Chukwuemeka, Vega, so many players who went out on loan, they will join Chelsea. Then Chelsea will do the mass selling. So guys, this is the right channel for you for all Chelsea information, and I can see that it looks like new people are joining this channel. Please, we are doing podcasts, we are doing analysis, we are not only giving, yes, football news or signing news or transfer news. we are doing analysis podcast on this channel about Chelsea. Yes, Chelsea games, previews and reviews, signings of Chelsea game. So please, all those videos will come in soon. Yes, about Chelsea learning Liam Delap, about Chelsea to sign a winger, about Chelsea to sign a centre back. Yes, I'm doing that, or we are doing that on this channel with my Chelsea brothers. Yeah, so please turn on the notification bell. Stay on Football Lions. Yes, to have a better experience and a better analysis when it comes to Chelsea Football Club. I'm telling you, Football Lion is the right channel. Yes, the best channel, the best football channel in the world. Stay around. Please turn on the notification bell. Hit the like button. Hit the subscription button. Yes, more videos are coming. By the way, I gave you another video today about Chelsea signings, about Jordan Sancho. Here's the video. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.